Okay, so hello everyone. So today we are trying to learn about finals, and based on the 6 basic finals, then you actually have to pay attention to this one hard finals, which is this sounds. Okay, it's a y sounds. Well, many students felt like it's very hard to make this kind of sounds. So how are we going to make it correctly? So it's basically a E sounds with a U mouth shape. Okay, let's try to make an E sounds. E, and you try to smaller your mouth and make it a U shape. Okay, E, 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 E. Try to pronounce the E sounds. E and E. Ooh, this is how your mouth shapes looks like, right? So E, E. That is how you pronounce the Y sounds. See you next time.